Okay, YouTubers, this is the Angry Prepper. Today's episode is going to be a really short video on Titan Survival Paracord. Now, I've been looking to buy this paracord for about a year now. I decided a week or two ago to just purchase it and to see what the big to-do was about this particular cord. Now, I did buy Titan's Warrior cord a few months back, and I really like that cord. It's just dependable, right? We all buy different kinds of paracords from companies, and they're not all created equal, right? So that being said, I spent a little extra money buying the Warrior cord, which I really enjoyed. So I decided to buy their survival cord. The survival cord has different filaments inside the paracord itself, right? So there is actual paracord inside, and mixed in the paracord is 30 gauge animal snare wire, I think I'm saying that right, waxed jute tinder to start fires, and 25-pound monofilament fishing line, right? I guess that's for smaller fish to catch. Now, like I said, I'm pretty impressed with it. So let me show you what the actual cord looks like itself. Okay, so this is the dragon scale color, if you will. And as you see in the back of the box, it gives you the diameters, the weight, the length, and the tensile strength of the paracord. Now, the diameter of the 550 cord is, which most are, 5/32 of an inch, right? The weight of this paracord, the entire 100 feet length of paracord, is 13 ounces, and the tensile strength is 620 pounds. Now, I am going to test the tensile strength out in another video. I'm actually going to, in another video as well, break up the survival cord and use the individual strands that are in the paracord, right? So I am going to try the fishing line with actual fishing. I'm going to try to start a fire with the jute twine, the wax jute twine line, and I'm going to try to snare an animal with the snare line, right? And then I'm going to use the paracord in different fashions to see how it holds up, right? We're going to see how well this paracord can take the abuse that I'm about to hand it, right? Now, the one thing about this company, this Titan Survival, they give you 100% lifetime guarantee, and the company is ran by a U.S. veteran, right? So that's a plus. I'm not sure if it's actually, it's not. It's designed in the U.S. and it's made in China. Seems like we can't get anything made in the U.S. these days, right? But anyway, with that being said, we're going to, I'm still going to buy from this company regardless of where they make it, just because it's veteran owned. And like I said, with their Warrior cord, I was really impressed. So I switched out all my existing paracords with the Warrior cord, and I'm going to buy more Warrior cord. And the survival cord, if this holds up, I might be replacing the Warrior cord, because this is a true survival paracord, right? Again, you can uncover the filaments and use it for survival purposes, right? Starting a fire and catching food. What better cord to have on you at all times, either in bracelet form, figure 8 coiled, somewhere in your bag. This survival cord, if it lives up to its advertising, I'm going to be replacing all my paracord with this, right? Alright guys, so anyway, that was the Angry Prepper. This was a short, boring video on the survival paracord. I am going to do testing on this paracord as well. Videos to come. Alright guys, thank you for watching. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Tumblr, and Twitter. You can also listen to my podcast channel, and you can also watch my urban channel, the Angry Prepper Urban. Alright guys, thank you for watching.